Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on OnePlus Nord CE5. Okay, so let's begin. But before we open up our WhatsApp, let's make sure that in the settings of our device, as we click right in here and when we scroll down into the Google settings, that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because there's a chance that if you are logged into other Google account, you won't be able to restore the chats, so make sure that you are logged into the proper account. Now open up your WhatsApp. Now select your language, then click on this button. Now click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us the notifications, and now in this bar we need to type the phone number, our phone number of course. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click right in here at what's my number, and your number will be automatically copied and pasted right in here. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and I also need to verify my phone number. You have to do the same. We have a couple ways how we can verify it. We can use the missed call option, or for example the code from the SMS messages. Simply pick the one that you want and verify your phone number. So that's what I'm going to do right now, so just give me a second. Alright, after the verification process, if you do everything properly, you will have something like that. Contact and media, click on continue, click on allow, and allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see the date when the last backup was made. Also next to it we can see the size and the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I'm currently logged into in the settings of my device, so everything is correct. Now simply click on the restore button, and I suggest you should restore your chats right now because there's a chance that you won't have a possibility to do it later. So simply click on restore. Even the app tells you that you should do it right now. So simply click on restore. In my case, it's not going to take long because I don't have that many messages, so it will be done any second. Alright, 13 messages restored. Click on next. Under the profile info you can type your name and also change your profile photo if you are interested in that. Then click on next. And now, as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, has been successfully restored on our WhatsApp. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.